Hello, I'm Sonic Mario Pac-Man FNAF Gamer Fan 48 here, and today I'm going to show you an Easter egg. I know I'm talking about the 20th Century Fox Entertainment 2009. It sounded familiar to Netflix Wii version of Netflix. Listen carefully. Next, 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment 2009. Last one. Last but not least, all of them together. These two logos sound the same, which is pretty shocking me. I thought it was reused from a Wii Netflix version. I was surprised. I'm impressed. I love how they sound alike. I'm happy. Thank you for watching me, everyone. Peace out. New video coming tomorrow. See you later. Peace.